Hello everyone, I am Kamlesh Kumar Meena, primary teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya Roing. Today we are going to learn a chapter of class 3, EVS chapter number 1, Poonam's Day Out. In this chapter, these topics will be covered. The first one, introduction of the chapter. Second one, recognize the animals from the tree. The third one, types of the animals. Next, sound of the animals. Next, identify the animals which they have specialty. Sixth one, colors the wild animal. Complete the incomplete pictures of animals. Find animal's name in crossword. Next, activity. Two activities are included in this chapter. The first one, magic with fingers. The second one, make funny animals. And the last topic will be covered in this chapter, that is, arrange the animals name in the order of their size. Now discuss about the chapter number 1, Poonam's Day Out. First of all, we will discuss introduction of the chapter. This chapter will inspire to us for observe carefully our environment, because from environment we will learn lot of. So let's see what Poonam learned in this chapter. So let's read out the lesson and understand. First of all, I read out the paragraph and after that I will explain. Ma, please let me go to school today. I have been at home for the past 2 days. I am getting bored, said Poonam. But you still fever. Go outside and lie down on the cot, replied Ma. Poonam fell asleep on the cot. Suddenly, something fell on her face. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. Oh no! Whose mischief is this? Is it the crows or the pigeons? It seems it's the crow's mischief. This is a story about a girl. She is suffering fever, so she cannot go to school. Last 2 days she lived at home, but now she feeling boring. So she asked her mother to go to school, but her mother refused and advised go outside and lie down on the cot. After that, Poonam asleep on the cot. After some time, suddenly something fell on her face. She said, "Oh no, whose mischief this? It is crow's mischief or pigeon's mischief?" According to Poonam, it is crow's mischief. Can you guess what happened there? What happened? Guess? Okay, no problem. Look at this picture. This is a bird. यह एक पक्षी है और पक्षी बीट करता है, जिसे आप उसकी पोटी भी बोल सकते हैं। आपने देखा होगा कोई भी पेड़ होता है उसके ऊपर काफी सारे पक्षी रहते हैं और उसके नीचे जो वस्तु रहती है उस पे वो बीट कर देता है और उसको गंदी कर देता है। जैसा कि आप सेकंड पिक्चर में आप देख सकते हैं कि एक स्टेचू बना हुआ है पेड़ के नीचे और उस पे काफी सारी पक्षी की बीट गिरी हुई है, वो गंदा हो रखा है। In this chapter, we find a word coat. I am already underlined and the bold that word coat. But I will show a picture for better explain. Look at this picture. This is coat. कोट मतलब चारपाई जिस पे हम सोते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? ओके. रिकॉग्नाइज एनिमल फ्रॉम द ट्री. Poonam looked up. She saw many animals on the tree. Which animals can you spot on the tree in the picture? Write down their name. जब पूनम पेड़ के नीचे आराम कर रही थी, चारपाई में लेटी थी, तब उसके ऊपर कुछ गिरता है तो अचानक से ऊपर देखती है. ऊपर देखने के बाद उसे पेड़ में कई सारे पक्षी दिखाई देते हैं. तो उन पक्षियों को पहचानो और उनके नाम नीचे लिखो. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर केयरफुली. In this picture, we can see a monkey, a pigeon, and some ants, squirrel, and that is crow, butterfly, myna, sparrow, and this is parrot. Can you find it? You can see. You can see. Okay. Then you can write answer of this question. Monkey, pigeon, squirrel, crow, butterfly, myna, sparrow, and parrot. Recognize the animal from at the pond. Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her lip with it, but her cheek was still sticky. She thought, let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond. पहले तो पूनम ने एक पत्ती उठाया और उससे अपने मुंह को पोंछने की कोशिश की, लेकिन वो पूरी तरह साफ नहीं हुआ. तो उसने सोचा कि मैं तालाब पे जाके अपना फेस वॉश कर लेती हूँ, धो लेती हूँ. तो वो तालाब पे जाती है और उसको वहां पे कई तरह के एनिमल्स दिखाई देते हैं. विच एनिमल्स डिड पूनम सी एट द पॉन्ड? लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. वी कैन सी many animals at pond. This is goat. Goat eating grass. And this is crocodile. Sorry, tortoise. Tortoise walking slowly. And these are buffaloes. Buffaloes bathing in the water. And that is crane. Crane. This is frog. Frog is jumping. And this is stork. Now you can write answer of this question. Poonam see animals at the pond. Goat, tortoise, buffaloes, crane, frog and stork. हमने अभी पढ़ा था पोंड के आसपास के जानवर, लेकिन अब देखते हैं कि जानवर कितने प्रकार के होते हैं. टाइप ऑफ द एनिमल्स. Animals are three types. The first one land animals, second one water animals, and the last, amphibians. The first, land animals. Those animals are lived on the land. These animals are called land animals. Those animals are lived in the water. These animals are called water animals. And those animals can live both land and water. These animals are called amphibians. Uh, this is land animals. You can see in this picture zebra, rhino, tiger, an elephant, and kangaroo. These animals are lived on land. And now we can discuss about water animal. Those animals are lived in only water. Those are, look at this picture, octopus, dolphin, whale, starfish, jellyfish, shark, etc. etc. Now, amphibians. Amphibians. Those animals are lived both of places, land or water. Land and water. Those animals are amphibians. Look at picture this. This is tortoise. This is frog. This is crocodile. Those animals can live both water और land. ये एनिमल्स पानी में भी रह सकते हैं और पानी के बिना जमीन पर भी ये रह सकते हैं. Understand? Okay. Now we will discuss sound of the animals. Can you act like the animals seen at the ponds? Which animals make what kind of sound and movements? Try to make similar sound. Animals seen at the pond. जो pond पर हमने जानवर देखा है उनके जैसी आवाज निकाल के एक्ट करेंगे, एक्टिंग करेंगे और फिर हम और जानवरों के बारे में भी एक्टिंग करेंगे. द फर्स्ट वन, frog. Frog. The sound of frog, croak, croak, croak. And the second one, crow. Crow sound, cow, cow, cow. And the in this picture, cow. Cow or buffalo. Both are same sound, moo. And now we can try another animal's sound. You can try with your friends and with your parents. Okay, let's try. Sure. Identify the animals which they have speciality. Different animals move in different ways to go from one place to another place. So, some animals walk, some crawl, some fly, and some swim. For this, some animals use their feet, some use their wings, some animals even take a help of their tails. सभी जानवर एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पे जाते हैं. कोई चल के जाता है, कोई रेंग के जाता है, कोई उड़ के जाता है, कोई तैर के जाता है. और इस काम के लिए वो लोग कुछ हम अपने पैर का यूज करते हैं, कुछ पंख का यूज करते हैं और कुछ कुछ तो टेल का भी यूज करते हैं, टेल का भी प्रयोग करते हैं. तो आइए हम देखते हैं, जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि कौन कौन से ऐसे जानवर हैं जो उड़ के जाता है, जो चल के जाता है, जो रेंग के जाता है और कई तैर के जाता है. You must have seen many animals to write which of them. Let's start. Can fly. Those animals कैन फ्लाई, वो एनिमल्स जो फ्लाई करते हैं, उड़ सकते हैं। द फर्स्ट वन क्रो, द सेकेंड पैरट, and the third pigeons. These animals are can fly, so this called bird. Can crawl. Crawl means slowly moving. हिंदी में इसे बोलते हैं रेंगना. The first one is snake, earthworm, and this is snail. These animals can crawl, not fly. ये केवल चल सकते हैं. Next, can walk. Those animals can walk. They are dog. Next, cow. And third one, goat. Can hop. Those animals can hop. They are frog, kangaroo, and monkey. Have wings. Those animals have wings. They are pigeon, butterfly, and sparrow. Have feet. Those animals have feet. They are dog, cow, and horse. Mostly all the animals have feet, but I am showing some animals picture. Next, have a tail. The first one, cat, horse, and buffalo. Okay, student, enough for today. I hope you understood this chapter till now. We will continue tomorrow with a new video of same chapter. Thank you, and I request you stay home, stay safe, and keep reading.